In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can use unit rates to fill in tables. And so in this situation, we have 3 cups of tomatoes needed to make 4 servings of sauce. And so if we want to know how many cups of tomatoes we're going to need, depending on how many people we're trying to serve, we're going to need our unit rate of cups per serving. And we will write that as the fraction of cups over serving. Okay, so let's look at our table and let's see what we can do with this. We can see right here, we have our 3 cups for 4 servings represented. And using this ratio that we set up of cups per serving, we can say that, well, that means we have 3 cups per 4 servings. And then if we want to find that unit rate, we do our division. So we do 4 divided by 4, so 1 serving. And 3 divided by 4, go ahead and grab your calculator. That is 0.75 cups for 1 serving. Now that we have this unit rate, 1 serving, we can find where 1 serving lives in our table. 1 serving lives in our table where x equals 1. So right there, we know right away that the number of cups we're going to need for 1 serving is 0.75. And now we can use that unit rate as our multiplier for anywhere in this table where we already know x. 1 times 0.75 is 0.75, so that gives us our y. The other known object or other known ratio we have, we know that 4 times 0.75 will give us 3. So our x multiplied by our unit rate will equal our y. So let's go ahead and do that for the ratios we don't yet know. So 3 times 0.75. Again, go ahead and grab your calculators. You're allowed to use those. That is 2.25. So we need 2.25 cups of tomatoes to get 3 servings of sauce. For 6, again, we'll multiply that by our unit rate. So 6 times 0.75. And that is going to be 4.5. So we need 4.5 cups of tomatoes to make 6 servings. And now in this next ratio, right here, we have our y value of 7.5, but we don't have an x. And so this work that we did right here, we're going to kind of do the opposite. So instead of multiplying x by the unit rate to get y, we're going to take our y value, which is 7.5, and we're going to divide it by our unit rate. And that will give us our x. So you can also say y divided by the unit rate will give us our x. So 7.5 divided by 0.75 is going to equal 10. So if we are serving 10 people, we're going to need 7.5 cups of tomatoes.